Hello everyone, this is Gajanand and you are watching Tech Rudransi. In this tutorial, I will teach you drop-down menu in Bootstrap 4, right? So let's see a quick demo and then we will write a code. So when we click on this button, this menu will open, right? And this is a menu we can change its position, right, top, left and bottom, right? By default, it's bottom. So what we have to do, first we have to create a project, right? So this is my plain blank empty project, and here I will write a code to understand drop down menu in Bootstrap. So first we have to create a div like this, and div should be closed, and give a class a Bootstrap drop down like this. And inside this div we have to also create another div and give a class of btn group, btn group, a btn group. And in this btn group we have to create a button, right? So when we click a button, drop down menu will open. So this is a button, and give a class btn primary, and you can give any button primary, and this is a drop down toggle, toggle, right? Control S for save, and button name is, you can see, a drop down button. Control S for save, and let's see how it looks, right? So now we have a button, right? But when we click, it's not working. So what we have to do next, so inside after this button we have to create another div for menu. So div, and div should be closed, and give a class of this div is drop down menu. So drop down menu like this. And in this menu we have to create some links, href, and href we didn't have any links, so just put it hashtag. So, and you can put your link, and any page you can target through this link, right? But we currently we didn't have any a link, so we are not putting any links in here, right? So just simply give a class of this drop down menu, and this is drop down items, right? So this is drop down, and this item like this, and a should be closed, and this is a link one, and you can put anything of your links, right? So let's copy two more times. Let's copy one times and paste in two times, right? So this is button 2, and this is link 2, link 3. And when we refresh the page, you can see, right, it's not working, right? Because we have to give a attribute data toggle to this button. So data toggle, and the data toggle is a drop down, which is this drop down, right? So put it drop down, control S for save, and let's refresh, and now it's working, right? So if you want to change it's the position of this menu, what we have to do, just give us some class to this button group, and to set a direction of our menu. So by default is bottom. Suppose when I click, all the times it will be in the bottom. So we want to change to right side. So what we have to do, just put it drop drop right, like this, RIGHT. Control S for save, and when you click, this menu is a right side of this button, right? Likewise we can also do for a drop up. Control S for save, and but it didn't have any space it here, so it's opening in the bottom, right? And also we didn't have any space for left side, right? It's nearby this border, right? So let's put it a drop left. Control S for save. If it has a space, it will be open it here, right? But it didn't have, it's opening its opposite side. So it's pretty cool, right? So pretty much we have done. So if you like this video, please subscribe my channel and let me know what you think about this. So thanks for watching. Bye, have a nice day.